This is a quick walkthrough of Hillbilly Girl by Kathy Snow. We begin with our weight on our left, and we're going to weave to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, toe, heel, cha-cha, turning, K-step. Again, side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, K-step, turning. To the right, side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, toe, heel, cha-cha, turning, K-step. To the right, side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Side behind, side across, Lindy, back rock. Toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, toe, heel, cha-cha-cha, K-step, turning. That's it. You're ready for music.